everybody. Welcome to our first segment of Beauty Buzz with Lori. We're here at Garcia Facial Plastic Surgery, and I have the pleasure of having Becky, our nurse practitioner, here with me today. The first segment is going to be about platelet rich fibrin, better known as PRF. So Becky, tell us just what PRF is.
Okay, so PRF is platelet rich fibrin, and this is the portion of the blood that's really rich in growth factors. So we can use it to help stimulate collagen and elastin anywhere that someone has an area that they are concerned with. So it's a really great all-natural treatment for someone who just wants to do, as much as they can for anti-aging. So, we start losing collagen as early as our 20s, or our body doesn't make as much as it used to. So doing a treatment like this to help stimulate that collagen and elastin growth is really going to help give the skin a more youthful look.
Nice, nice. So what type of treatments, if someone's interested in PRF, can you either add on, or can PRF be used as a standalone treatment?
That's a great question. So yeah, it can be used as a standalone treatment. Like a popular area would be the under eyes, where people tend to have a couple issues where the skin has some fine lines and is a little bit darker. So we can do PRF injections there, and that helps with that area. But for an all-over anti-aging treatment, we like to combine it with microneedling. So we can microneedle it into the entire face, neck, décolleté, and really give skin a nice boost for creating more collagen and elastin.
Absolutely. And the nice thing is I can actually speak personally to using it as the under eye help with the darkness. I have what they call allergic shiners, which are genetic, and that's a really difficult area to treat with topicals. So the PRF, I'm not exactly sure the science behind how it works, but whenever it's injected in that area, it really does lighten the area just 2 weeks after having the injectables done, and it gives a more even plane in that area too, the transition.
Exactly. Yeah. So that that collagen stimulation is just so important for keeping the skin youthful looking, and PRF has been studied, and clinical studies do support that it really does produce more collagen and elastin. So that's really, really beneficial with anti-aging, and as you said, helping the allergic shiners that so many people have.
Absolutely, absolutely. So one of the other things I know that I treat in the treatment room is also if someone has a scar. A lot of times I'll have you inject that scar directly with the PRF. Can you tell us how that helps with that scarring too?
Yeah, it's pretty much the same as with the anti-aging, where it's just stimulating inflammatory response to help create healing in the area where it's injected. And yeah, we have seen some great responses with scar tissue, and that's something that really really can affect people is, when they have an imperfection right in the middle of a cheek or forehead, it really stands out to them. So it's so nice to see improvement in those areas.
For sure, for sure. So for anyone who might be thinking about getting PRF done, whether it be adding it onto a treatment or doing standalone, is there anything that we haven't already talked about that you would say to them? Or?
I would want people to know it's not an immediate fix. When we're talking about stimulating collagen and elastin growth, it's something that takes time, so we often recommend a series of at least 3 treatments, and that it can take a few weeks to start to see the results. But anytime you're doing something like this, even though you don't see the results immediately, I mean, just to know that you're doing kind of everything you can for anti-aging with targeting those areas with the PRF is really going to help in the immediate and in the long term.
Okay, perfect, perfect. So if you've been thinking about having PRF done, what you can do is actually call the office and schedule a consultation with Becky, and she can take a look at what your needs are and customize a treatment just for you.
Yep.
Thanks for joining us today,
Sure,
Becky.
Thanks for having me.
All right. Thank you, guys.